All right, summer's coming around the corner and it's getting hot, especially for big guys like me. I actually got something that's very comfortable, honestly, and it's something I don't really show too much, but I got new underwear. And the thing is, this underwear is very flexy for a big guy like me. It's stretchable. I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. So this is the underwear I've got, and I know, they're pretty much big like sailboats, but they're mine, all right? So they have various sizes, and for a guy like me, it's hard to find nice underwear that fits. This, like I said, is stretchable. Look at this. I got the multiple colors. I got different colors on it, but my best thing is this little pocket. I know it doesn't seem like a lot, but guys need this pocket. We're not going to explain for reasons why, but we need that pocket, right? Now this is perfect because not a lot of underwear is made for large guys like me. Anybody over 200 pounds, you struggle with the underwear. And when you get some like this, flexible, stretchable, the actual lining is pretty nice. The whole stitching, everything, every single part of it is not just one single part that's stretchable, everything's stretchable. So for summer, summer, we tend to sweat in some of the areas that we don't want to, but this actually prevents a lot of that because there's a lot of air moving around and circulating, and because of the material that it's made, right? The stretching material. So if you guys are looking for a gift for Father's Day or anything like that, or just get your man new underwear, check it out. Different colors, different sizes. Hope you guys enjoy the video.